Hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can make this text tracking or image tracking in Capcut Mobile like After Effects. And I have a new method for making this effect in Capcut Mobile. So watch the video till end and follow all the steps carefully. So guys, to achieve this effect in Capcut Mobile, we usually need this pointer triangle. And I have made a website where you can actually customize this triangle and download for your Capcut, or even you can use this in After Effects. So guys, I have actually made a website where you can actually download this pointer triangle for CapCut or After Effects edit, and I have made this very easy. But this website has some ads like this, so you just have to be careful by not clicking the ads or coming back to the main page. As you can see, this is our triangle. So what you can do is just click on this, and this is the ad that opened up. Ignore this, cancel this, don't download anything, and you can select color of which color you want the pointer of. So I have selected the green color. You can also customize by increasing the saturation, and then to the hue you can go like here. You can also go to the value and select any color. So I have already selected the green color. Just click on set. If you use this on computer, this would be a different interface, but don't worry about that. So this is the triangle that we have chosen off. Now the best thing on this website that I have created, you can do is you can change the glow. You can also add the glow, or you can also change the website. See, ad opened up, close this. Okay, now you can change the color, shadow color. So if I take black, let's keep it black only. We will change the glow to the green, and you can increase the opacity. See, there are so many ads on this website. I'll fix it if it bothers much. And you can see, you can also change the distance. As you can see, the distance is also changing. You got my point how to customize this. You can customize based on what type of effect you want. Now if we go on to the glow, we'll select the green, and you can see there's a subtle glow on this, and we can increase the opacity. See how it looks cool. You can increase the intensity to increase the glow. See, and let me fix it to somewhere subtle. Okay, so now this is the triangle website that I've created. So you can just download the as PNG, and you can see triangle1.png. Just simply download it, and it will be downloaded, and this will be like a simple PNG of triangle. See, it works. After downloading the triangle from my website, you have to come on the CapCut application, and I'll tell you two ways to actually make the text. Now the first way is going to be very simple. What you have to do is add a black screen from the library, and then add a text. So for example, I am making a Ronaldo edit, so I'll simply type Ronaldo, and now you can apply any font. So what I like is Resolve, or you can actually use SQL. Both are really good. I'll use Resolve this time. By the way, if you also want the CapCut working version, check out my website. It has everything. Now go to the styles option, and what we'll do is we can select any style. This looks much dull, but we will add a glow to make it good. Either use this or either use the second option that I'll tell you, that is much better looking, but yeah, it requires some extra options, and I'll tell you that in a while. And after that we'll move on to the tracking part. Now what you can do is go to the overlay that you downloaded from my website. So as you can see, this is the overlay. Now you have to scale it down, fix it in a good position in the middle, and let me delete this. So yeah, this is done, and now you can just directly export it, and you can then track it down. I'll show you the text tracking part in a while, but now let me show you another way of text effect, and that would be so much good that you would like to use that one in your edit. So for that, what you have to do is add an overlay, and all these overlays will be in the description. Just click on the link and you will get all the files. Okay, so this is the overlay. For example, this is the overlay, and we will put this overlay onto a text. But by the way, I forgot one step. What you have to do is, the first step is not to put this overlay. The first step is to export this, only the text, without any styles. So I'll go to the effects. Now after doing this, you have to take a screenshot. I have taken the screenshot. Now in the same project, what I'm gonna do is add the overlay, okay, and delete this text. Just delete it. And now what you can do is, to change any color of this overlay, what you can go is go to the adjust option, go to the graphs option. You can now change by changing, like you can see, I'm changing the color. Oh, that looks so worse. But if I want to change this into something greenish, I'll click here and I'll choose a green version. You have to adjust the color like this. So this is just the background of this. Now what you have to do is go to the photos option and add that screenshot. Now we have to crop this screenshot. We'll go to the transform, we'll go to the resize, let's zoom in, click on the screenshot that we have just added and go to the splice option. And now you have to click on the darken option, and now you can see that the white is gone, and now we can add that into our overlay text, as you can see. So like this looks cool, okay. And this is this effect that in the After Effects we can do very easy with the texture cells option, and this will be also high quality in After Effects, but we are on Capcut. So now go to the overlay again and add that triangle that you have downloaded from my website, scale it down, place it in the middle. So this looks really good, okay. Now this is all done. Let me stretch this out to the 6.4 seconds, 1080p, and just export this. Now doing all these options, you have to open a new project, import your clips, and I have already done that, and I have changed the aspect ratio, and these are the clips. So we have to track only this part till right here, and after that, that's just SUI celebration. So what we have to do is click on the overlay option, go to the videos that we have just exported and add that video. Now the thing is that we can't splice anything. If you use filter, that would be so much low quality, darken, overlay, lighten, nothing will work. So we can't splice that. So we'll keep the splice to the normal, and now we'll go to the remove background option. As you can see, this is the remove background option, and we will have to do the chroma key thing. As you can see, we have done the chroma key thing, and just remove this. If you increase the shadow, the black part will appear, and that we don't want. So let's do it right here, just so that it looks fine and not that bad. And now you have to adjust this. Wait a second. You have to adjust this according to the clip. So this is the Ronaldo. You have to put it upon the face or head of the player for which you are making the edit. So I've put it right here. Also guys, what you can do to make a glow on this, because this doesn't look that good. So what we are going to do is we're going to add an effect, video effect, and we can add a glow effect. Guys, what we are going to do is add the edge glow, because I am not able to find the another type of glow. We'll add the edge glow. Let me add it. This is the edge glow. We'll add till right here, and we'll go to the object option and we'll click on the overlay option. So this will be only applied to the overlay option. Now guys, after that, let's move on to the tracking, the final part of the tracking. So what we have to do to track these clips, to click on the overlay option, and now you will see this keyframe option. You have to click on this, and as the Ronaldo moves, you have to move this. As you can see, you have to move this with your finger. As the Ronaldo is moving, just keep on moving this. See? And yeah, it's done. So guys, let's see the preview. It's like this. See, the tracking is so good, your text is so good, and this works so well. And I think this video has been a great tutorial for you guys. You will get all the links in the description. Do check out my website. You can make and add these small triangles there. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.